Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Agri Quiz. Today I'm going to discuss some important question on post harvest technology. Here the question number 1: chilling injury arising from the exposure of the product to a temperature of. Here the right answer is below the normal physiological range. Generally, chilling injury occur when fruit or vegetable are stored below their storage temperature, like in banana. In banana storage temperature is 13 degrees Celsius, but when we store it in 10 or 11 degrees Celsius, general chilling injury is seen there. Here the question number 2: the volatile toxic substances accumulate in the tissue when fruit are stored in the environment of. Here the right answer is under poor ventilation condition. Here the question number 3: what is the form of membrane lipid in the fruit and vegetable that are resist to chilling? Here the lipids are in the form of semi-fluid which resist to chilling injury. Right answer is semi-fluid. Here the question number 4: fresh fruit and vegetable as like apple, orange and carrot keep best at temperature. Here the right answer is above freezing injury. Above freezing means 0 degrees Celsius. Apple like fruit, apple generally store at a temperature 0 to 1 degree Celsius. Then orange 6 to 8 degrees Celsius. Here the question number 5: surface pitting is a characteristic chilling injury in. Surface pitting is a chilling injury in citrus. Here the question number 6: internal discoloration is a common symptom of chilling injury in. Here the right answer is internal discoloration. The right answer is pineapple. If question is internal browning is generally occur in apple, it is due to enzyme reaction, that is PPO, polyphenol oxidase. Browning occur in apple. Here the question number 7: the pH of fruit tissue is generally every fruits are acidic. That is, here the right answer is less than 5. Every fruits are category under acidic fruit, but every vegetables are alkaline in nature, except 2 vegetables, that is tomato and rhubarb. Tomato and rhubarb are acidic in nature. Here the question number 8: which organic acid present in apple? Here the right answer is malic acid. The question number 9: for storing different kind of fruit together, it is essential that for temperature requirement. When we used to store different type of food together, generally the temperature may be not maybe should be same. The right answer is option A. Here the question number 10. Pre-cooling of fruit and vegetable is done at a temperature of generally fruit and vegetables are in 15 to 17 degrees Celsius. Right answer is 15 to 17. Here the question number 11. Which antioxidant is abundant in citrus fruit? We know citrus fruits are very rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. Here the right answer is ascorbic acid. Here the question number 12. Lycopene present in this is a ripening pigment, generally present in tomato, also present in some fruits like guava. The red color pulp in guava is due to lycopene, due to presence of the lycopene pigment. Here the question number 13. The enzyme which is responsible for browning of fruit and vegetable. Here the right answer is polyphenol oxidase, PPO. As I said before, in apple browning is due to polyphenol oxidase, that is PPO. Question number 14. The enzyme which produce bad smelling aldehyde in vegetables. It is a very important question. I think this question came in 2017 or 2018 JRF exam. Here the right answer is lipoxidase. Due to lipoxidase, bad smell come from vegetable. Here the question number 15. The microbial and nutritional shelf life of minimally processed food should be preferably up to. Here the right answer is up to 21 days. Here the question number 16. The quality problem for sliced apple and potato is. This question I said before, for enzymatic browning. Here question number 17. Enzymatic browning in fruit and vegetables require oxygen required for enzymatic browning. Enzyme also require copper and substrate also required. So the right answer is all of the above. Question number 18. The purpose of edible coating in minimally processed fruit and vegetables are. It also reduce respiration rate, also restrict ethylene production, sealing the volatile flavor, and then the right answer is all of the above. These three comes under. Here the question number 19. In a high oxygen modified atmosphere packaging, the temperature should be in the range of MAP, modified atmosphere packaging. Here Here the right answer is option A, 0 to 3 degrees Celsius. Here the question number 20. HP processing of fruit and vegetables means full form of HC is high performance, high pressure, high. No. The right answer is high pressure. Here question number 21. Apple's development brown heart is a disorder due to the accumulation of toxic substance. If this disorder is due to improper ventilation, that means here the option B is right answer. Reducing oxygen supply reduced during storage. Question number 22. Fruits like banana, figs, grapes are more susceptible to development of black mold rot due to the black mold. The right answer Aspergillus niger. The right answer is Aspergillus niger. But if question asked blue mold, then the answer will be Penicillium. Also some question asked from Rhizopus. Soft rot in citrus is due to Rhizopus, and soft rot in some fruit and vegetable also caused by some bacteria, that is Urea species. Here the question number 23. Criteria for harvesting of tomatoes are simple one. Question option D is right answer. We measure sugar, acidity, color, and the red color due to the lycopene pigment in tomato. The question number 24. The post-harvest losses are low post-harvest losses due to losses are qualitative loss, quantitative loss, physiological. Here the right answer is all. Here the question number 25. The causes of post-harvest losses are physiological deterioration, mechanical damage, disease, insect and pest. Damage by disease, insect and pest. So the right answer are both three are causes cause physiological or post-harvest losses. Right answer is D. Here the question number 26. Stages of post-harvest losses are harvesting, packaging, and storage and transportation. Here the right answer is all of the above. Here the question number 27. True teach comes from which part of the plant? A simple, very simple question. Here the right answer is leaves. Here the question number 28. In drying of fruit, which chemical is used to minimize the browning? Question: carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, benzene, chlorophyll. So the right answer is sulfur dioxide. Here the question number 29. how much produce is waste due to improper post harvest handling. Due to post harvest handling, improper post harvest handling, generally waste occur between 20 to 40%. Here the right answer is 40%. Question number 30. Best timing of harvesting of fruit during the daytime. Here the right answer is early morning. Best timing of harvesting of fruit both in evening and early morning. Here the question is asked about during the daytime. So answer will be early morning. And our next question we will discuss in next part. If my video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.